Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi launched the Redmi Note 11 series in China last month. The Redmi series comes with 3 smartphone models which include Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. The Redmi Note 11 series phones are currently available only in China. But rumors have suggested that it may launch with Snapdragon chips in Q1 2022 in the international markets. However, a new report has indicated that the series will hit the global markets this month as Redmi is set to launch the Redmi Note 11T 5G in India on November 30. Redmi Note 11 Pro and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus are also rumored to arrive in India with a replacement name for the Xiaomi Mi 11i and Xiaomi Mi 11i Hypercharge monikers respectively. Information has also been given about the specifications of Redmi Note 11T 5G. According to reports, the Note 11T will come with 5G Dimensity 810 SoC, 6.6, Full HD plus 90 Hz display. The smartphone will likely run Android 11 out of the box and pack a 5000 mAh battery with 33W charging. For photos and videos, the Redmi Note 11T 5G will sport a 16MP selfie shooter on the front and could feature a 50MP primary camera and an 8MP ultrawide sensor at the back. The phone will be available in 3 storage configurations: 6GB RAM plus 64GB, 6GB RAM plus 128GB and 8GB RAM plus 128GB. The smartphone is said to be offered in 4 color options: Stardust White, Matte Black and Aquamarine Blue. However, no information has been received about its price and availability yet. The Redmi Note 11T 5G will be the successor to the Redmi Note 10T 5G that was launched in India in July as a rebranded Poco M3 Pro 5G with a different design. The leaked specs indicated that the Note 11T 5G will be a rebranded Poco M4 Pro 5G. The Poco M4 Pro 5G is a rebadged Redmi Note 11 but has a large camera island that spans the width of the smartphone. But we do not know yet whether he will come to India this year or in 2022.